In today's last video, I'm going to teach you how to view deleted items in ClickUp. If you ever need to find something that was removed by mistake, ClickUp makes it fairly simple to check your deleted content from one central place. This can be helpful if you're looking for an old task, a deleted doc, or even a larger item like a space, folder, or list that you want to review. To get started, open ClickUp and look to the upper left corner of the screen. There, click on your Workspace avatar. This opens a menu with several account and workspace options. If you're not sure where to click, just look for the profile or workspace image in that top left area. Once the menu appears, select Trash. This takes you to the area where ClickUp stores deleted items. Think of this as the place where removed content is collected, so you can look back through it when needed. It's especially useful when you know something was deleted, but you're not exactly sure what type of item it was or where it originally lived. After opening the trash, take a moment to browse through the deleted items. You may see deleted spaces, folders, lists, tasks, docs, and other content. Depending on how active your workspace is, there could be quite a few items here, so it helps to scan carefully. This view gives you a broader picture of what has recently been removed from the workspace. If you're trying to locate something specific, use the search bar. Typing in a keyword or part of the item's name can save a lot of time, especially if the trash contains many deleted entries. This is one of the easiest ways to narrow down the list and quickly find the exact item you're looking for. When you find a deleted item you want to check, click on it to view its details. Opening the item lets you inspect it more closely, which can help confirm that it's the correct one before taking any further action. This is useful when multiple deleted items have similar names, or when you want to verify what was removed. That's all there is to it. By opening your workspace avatar, going to Trash, browsing or searching for the item, and then clicking it to view the details, you can quickly review deleted content in ClickUp whenever needed. Thanks for watching.